I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your Mini Cooper sound louder. Start by checking your exhaust type and local noise rules, then decide on the tone you want. Consider options like resonator delete, axleback exhaust, or full catback systems, and weigh cost versus noise gain. Factor in potential ECU tuning and professional installation. Always inspect for leaks and secure mounts to prevent rattles and legal headaches. To change your Mini Cooper's sound, start with a resonator delete for a louder, raw tone, or choose an axleback system for deeper exhaust notes without major surgery. Catback systems improve flow and add character, especially on turbo models. Consider aftermarket mufflers for specific tones and keep in mind fitment differences between models. Get a professional alignment check and ensure no check engine lights appear after installation. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like so I can keep making useful car content. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make cleaning your garage and car mats painless, and it even jokes about chasing dust bunnies. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once hardware is installed, ECU tuning can refine sound by adjusting engine timing and exhaust pulse characteristics, which helps avoid popping or running lean. Use stainless clamps, gaskets, and hangers to prevent leaks and vibration. Check for drone at cruising speeds and address resonances with packing material or different muffler designs. Always retest after any change and carry proof of compliance for local noise rules when driving publicly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.